Hey everybody, so welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do this simple, I mean I think it's simple, I don't know, I think anybody can do this. This is pretty easy to me and I just wanted to do something really easy, real simple, new year, new-ish me type vibe look. I don't know, it's purple. I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna be doing my eye look. I'm more than likely not gonna do my rest of the glam on camera, but I probably will I probably will do my lips at the end with you guys because I like to do that. I like to do my eyes and my lips on camera because, you know, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. So we're doing the eyes. So I got my concealer ready to go. I use my e.l.f. Camo concealer in Fair Beige. I use my Japanesque brush to put my concealer on. And then I also have my tape because I put some tape on my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quickly and then we'll be right back and we'll put the eyeshadow on my eyes. Okay. We'll be right back. So we're back now. I have my eye taped. I have my concealer on. And I always do one eye on camera. Always. I just do the other one off camera because it saves time. And my battery just likes to play games, you know. Likes to play games with me. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette. And I'm going to be dipping into that purple right there in the middle called Candice. This is more of like a pinky purple. And I'm going to blend it out with this brush. I'm going to dab a little bit into that color, probably just diffuse it on my hand. And then I'm going to run it this way. I'm going to take it a little bit into the crease. But mostly just trying to get this down a little bit. And I'm going to be taking a single shadow right here. It's like a really light purple. And just a light purple is all you really need. And I'm going to be taking that on this brush and going to be using that as well. To just like take it and like make it go up lighter. Does that make sense? Fade into that brow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So that's all I'm doing there. Bringing it up into and all the way up to the brow. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit more of the purple. That darker purple from Juvia's Place, that one called Candice. And I'm going to be bringing that up here a little bit. Alright, and now I'm going to be taking that light purple that I had, and I'm going to be, all that blankness that I have right here, I'm going to fill that in with that light purple. Right up in here. And like I've been doing a lot of bold things lately, not a lot, I've been doing like a couple bold looks in the past like month, so I want to go ahead and try something just a little softer. So that's why I'm doing this. I went ahead and I had to do this, but I had to. So I had a little bit of black right there, just a little bit. I used a little bit of a black shadow right here. And I just barely tapped it in. I'm going to show you. Right up in here. Just barely. I'm not blending it up. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just keeping it right here. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Yeah, because I think that adds a lot more depth to it, but other than that, that's what we're doing. So we're doing foreshadows. Sorry about that. But like I said, I didn't plan this. So we're just going with it. So yeah, I'll be right back for the shimmer. I just wanted to add that in and just tell you guys. I don't want to just do it off camera and then pretend it's not there. I can't do that. Alright, be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Stellar Collision from BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be going in with this lilac-y purple up here, which I just want to sort of tie in. And I want it light enough so that it doesn't sort of just like add more. I don't want different colors, if that makes any sense. I want a sort of monochromatic look. So I'm going to be using that. I swatched it here. As you can tell, it's really pretty. So I'm going to be using that. Let's hope that this looks really good, because I'm hoping. Well, that's why I said I wanted to go for more of like a nudie purple instead of something really bold. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on. Let's hope this works out. Mayday! Mayday! Ooh, okay. Maybe Lorac. Maybe Lorac can save it. You see that right there? Let's try that hoe out. There we go. It's a little nudie, like it has a little bit of a beiginess to it, but I think what we'll do is I'll put this like this, and then I'll add some of that purple from the Stellar Collision, and yeah, I think that's good. Okay. Wow, that's good. I was actually freaking out a little bit. I was having a BF. I was having a bitch fit. I'm going in, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner, just like that. And I'm gonna get some of that purple from the BH palette. Go ahead and add that in, just like that. So we're using a purple and a nude. We're using more shadows. You guys, this was supposed to be like 3 eyeshadows. I'm sorry. I told you guys this was gonna be easy. But makeup is supposed to be fun, so just have fun with it. Yeah. So there we go. So that is the look. Do you see it? Is it stunning? Is she good? She's good. It's beautiful. It's stunning. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then I will come back, do the other eye, do the rest of this look, and then I'll come back for my lips, and then we'll get the final look. Okay, alright. Alright, I'm back. Hello. So, everything is done now. All I need to do is my lips. I got highlighter on. Yes, everything that I have on my face will be listed below. So check the description for that. But the eyes came out so good. Like, wow. I really love this. Yeah. I think what I can do is I can go ahead and use my Lorac. This is my favorite liquid lipstick. This is Plum Pink. I'll use a little bit of this. Yeah, there you go. Okay, alright, so we have that on right now. Yeah, that's like what I was going for, a little bit more cool. And then I think what I'll put over it, let me see, what do we got here? No, that's too pink. It's too pink. Maybe my Marc Jacobs, yeah. Marc Jacobs Forbidden Fruit. I think this might look good. This we'll see. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I really hope you guys love the look. And if you recreated or anything like that, like I'm anyone, let me know. Let me know how it went or anything. You know, let me know if it worked out for you. I really like how this all came out. It looks so good. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a great rest of the month, great week, and a great whole 2021. New year, new us. Not like new, but like it's a new year. So it's obviously, you're a new person in the new year. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, alright, so that's it. Okay, bye.